Nobody knows to keep it running.
That's Jonathan, isn't it?
Yeah.
What does it mean when smoke comes out of your motor?
That's no big deal. It's just a little steam. You got that thing in first or second?
First?
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Try going through there again, John. I'll get it close up with you splashing through.
Hey, you alright? You alright, buddy?
Oh, man. You just plowed the front going in there huge. I don't know what the deal was.
Look at it.
Come here for a second.
What?
Oh, nice.
What?
Nice.
What?
Nice.
What?
I got my school shoes on too.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Did you shut it off?
Is it still in gear?
Lift it up. I know it.
This thing needs a wash.
You think so?
Yeah.
Doesn't look that bad.
Look at this.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Go to the water again, John.
You know what, John? You know why you're crashing?
Why?
Because you're going slower. Before you had speed going through there and it pushed you through.
Yep.
You're going slower and you're getting in there and you're slow. You're already going slow, and then when you let off a little bit, the front end just pushes and goes away. You got to get speed up, going in and stay on it.
He can't hardly hold on at this point.
That's part of the problem too. He hasn't got any traction on his hands anymore. Let's see.
There you go.
Let's go.
Go on, John. Pick up speed.
Get it up in the truck. The truck, now.
What?
Get it up by the truck, now.
Want to ride?
No. Go.
Want to ride?
No. Go.